Hello students, I'm Neha Sharma, your social science teacher. This is our second session for the class 8th geography chapter 3 natural vegetation and wildlife. In this class we will learn about the wildlife of India. First of all, I will tell you what is wildlife. Actually, the animals that live in a specific region are known as the wildlife of that region or area. Wildlife include non-domesticated animals such as birds, fishes, animals that live in forest areas. They are known as the wildlife of that area. Actually, animals can be found in every time of vegetation, and they are the most important part of the ecosystem, right? Wildlife varies from place to place due to the climatic variation of different places. For example, in India there are rich variety of birds, animals, peacock, lion, Bengal tiger. They are known as the wildlife of India. There are so many endangered animals in our India, like blue whale, monkey, snow leopard. They are the endangered animals because the wildlife is an important component of biodiversity. So there are so many projects undertaken by the Indian government for the protection of wildlife, like the project tiger, project elephant, crocodile project, sea turtle project. These are the few examples of projects taken by the government. So why it is important to conserve our wildlife? It is important because it gives beauty to the nature. It has economic value, it has scientific value, it has economic value in the term of tourism, because it increases tourism in any country, and it has also maintained the ecological balance. So there are few examples of legal framework for wildlife conservation in India, like the Wildlife Protection Act 1972, the National Wildlife Action Plan 2002, the Environment Protection Act 1986, the Biological Diversity Act 2002, the Indian Forest Act 1927, the Forest Conservation Act 1980. The most important act started by the Indian government is the Wildlife Protection Act in 1972. It is an act of Parliament of India enacted for the protection of plants and animals. It extends to the whole country except the state of Jammu and Kashmir, because it has its own wildlife act. The other important project started by Indian government is Project Tiger. It was launched in 1972 to protect the tigers in India. Initially, 9 tiger reserves were set up in India, which expanded to 39 tiger reserves in 2010. And the Jim Corbett National Park of Uttarakhand is the famous tiger reserve of India. Our next topic is National Park. National Park is a well defined area for protection of wildlife. Visitors can only visit the park. No one has the right to use any forest product. Collection of firewood, timber from any part of the forest is not allowed. As of April 2017, there were 103 national parks in India, and the Jim Corbett National Park, Uttarakhand, was the first national park of India. As you see, there are few famous name of national parks of India, like Jim Corbett, Gir National Park, and Kanha National Park of India, etc. Now we will study about the wildlife sanctuary. Actually, it is a declared protected area in which limited human activities are permitted, like people can collect firewood, timber, etc., and hunting of animal and cutting of tree is totally banned. As of April 2017, India has 543 wildlife sanctuaries. Few famous wildlife sanctuaries name are given here. Thank you so much.